Stores that provide a hiring service to their customers are required to enter each individual product into the Minfos database. These products are unique to each store and need to be maintained at the store level. Multi-store groups can choose to maintain these products at the head office or store level. If your store is part of a multi-store group, check with your head office to ensure that you are following the correct process. For all hire products to be created and processed at the till, each hire product requires that your Minfos database contains the product 990 hire deposits. To ensure that your database contains this stock card, from the Stock Manager module, click the Product Maintenance icon. Then click Find. Search for 990 and click OK. Highlight the product and click Inquire. Check that the barcode shows 990, the product type shows product type 5 deposit, and the MNPN shows 990. If these details are correct, click OK. If the barcode, product type, or MNPN are incorrect, or you cannot find 990 hire deposit stock card, please submit a ticket for assistance from the Minfos support team. Now that you have confirmed 990 hire deposit stock card is present in your database, you are ready to create your hire products. Each hire product will require its own individual stock card to be created. From the Stock Manager module, click Product Maintenance, then select Add. Select Make Barcode. In the name box, enter a description beginning with the word hire, followed by a description of the product and the number which has been allocated to the individual hire product. For example, hire crutches number 1. It is highly recommended that each hire product is physically marked with a number, starting at 1 and continuing in a sequential order for the same type of product. From the product type drop-down in the stock card, select number 3, hiring. Ensure the GST on sales and purchases is checked accordingly. Select the Categories tab. In the Preferred Supplier text box, enter 13100 Minfos. Enter all required details in the department, company, brand, IEU, class and location according to the categories that your store maintains. In the AR product code text box, enter sale 4000 and then press tab. This should show as hiring income. This will ensure that all hire income is recorded correctly in Minfos receivables. Select the hiring tab. In the deposit text box, enter the required deposit amount. In the hire cycle text box, select your store's preferred period of hire. Enter an amount for the corresponding rate of hire for daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly hire. It is recommended that a rate is entered for all hire cycles, regardless of the preferred hire cycle. Click OK to save. To add additional hire products, repeat this process or copy the stock card you have just created and update the details as required. For further information, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.